Today we're making coffee oat milk. Come on in, welcome to my home. Quick and simple recipe using our coffee syrup. Now, if you want to learn how to make coffee syrup, click that eye in the sky. It will take you to the day where I make coffee syrup. And I want to stress that you can make this as thin or as thick as you want it to be. It is really sweet coffee. Now, I am using my oat milk. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own oat milk, just click that eye in the sky. It will teach you how to make oat milk. And you'll notice that mine is frothy simply because I put it in the jar and shook it a lot. So how do you make coffee milk? What is coffee milk? It's just what you think it is. I have taken some really cold milk, oat milk of course, and to that I'm going to add what should be really cold coffee syrup. Mine's not cold. You can add as much or as little as you like. Now the reason I did mine in a jar makes the most sense. I can shake mine, hopefully without it spurting everywhere. You can put in coffee, ice cubes, you can put in whatever, any sort of flavoring. Now let's give this a taste. I really do like this. It has the flavor of sweet coffee with the taste of the oat milk. This is really good. Coffee oat milk is super surprising. I did not think that I would like this at all, but I actually do like this. It is such a quick recipe, so easy to make, and I did make the coffee syrup for another completely different reason, but we'll get into that sometime later. It's coming up. You need the coffee syrup. You can actually buy coffee syrup, which I did not know until recently that you can buy it, but it is so easy to make, and I want to stress, make it as thin or as thick as you like. It is up to you, but go ahead and make your own. It is so super simple. The coffee oat milk, you can make this as strong or as weak as you like. Just decide how you like it and go ahead and make this. Now, if you do make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If you like short little videos like this, and I like to keep my video on one topic so that way if you're looking for something, you can find just that specific thing. Let me know about that in the comments. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.